Today we are going to start this topic, blocking of invoice due to quality inspection. As you can see that after we create the purchase order and we do the goods receipt, an inspection lot will be created, and here two cases will be there. The inspection lot will be created during the goods receipt, and if the usage decision is missing, then when we move to the next step of the cycle, that is the invoice verification, the material will be the invoice will be blocked and giving the reason, blocking reason quality. Or else, when we are inspecting the inspection lot during the usage decision, we tell accepted, okay, then the invoice will not get blocked. And the third variant is that when we do the usage decision recording for the inspection lot, if it is rejected, not okay, then the invoice will get blocked, giving the blocking reason quality. So this we are going to see in the SAP S/4HANA system. So let us go through the points in this sheet, and then we will go to the SAP system and check out the things practically. An invoice can be blocked due to quality inspection with the blocking reason quality. In the material master record, you define the following features. We will see these features in the material master record. Otherwise, the material that we are going to use will not participate in the quality management. Whether a GR for a material is subject to inspection. In this case, an inspection lot is created for every GR for this material. Whether an invoice needs to be blocked due to quality inspection. In this case, an inspection lot without a usage decision or a rejected inspection lot leads to the blocking of the invoice. So these settings has to be done in the material master record in the quality management view. The system sets the blocking reason quality for an item in the following cases. There are two cases, as we know, that we can go for a GR-based invoice verification in the PO, or we can go for the no GR-based invoice verification, that is a PO-based invoice verification. In the GR-based invoice verification, the invoice is blocked if no usage decision has been made about the inspection lot for the GR concerned, or if the inspection lot has been rejected. In the PO-based invoice verification, the invoice is blocked if no usage decision has been made for any inspection lot for the PO item, or if the inspection lot has been rejected. Okay, so we are going to first see in the system the material master data in MM03 transaction. The material that I have created in the system is this material, XIM-01. So let us go and see in the SAP system how does it look like. So we'll go to /n MM03. We'll go here and we'll deselect this and we'll go to the quality management. So this is, apart from setting up the purchasing data, we have to set up the quality management data also. First, we have to go to this inspection setup. We have to put the inspection type 01 and we have to activate it. Inspection type 01 means the inspection lot will be created during the goods receipt for the purchase order. Okay, and all these settings associated will come from the customization, and we have to set it active. So that is the first thing. After that, as I told you when I was showing the Excel sheet, that during the invoice verification, the system should pose a block if the inspection lot, the usage decision has not been made, that either rejection or acceptance of the inspection lot has not been made, or the inspection lot has been rejected, it will go for an invoice block. So we have to set this QM control key as 007, delivery release invoice block, and we have to put QM in procurement active. So these are the things we should do set up in the material master. Okay, now we will start the process. We will go through these steps. First, we are going to create the purchase order, ME21N. Then we are going to go to the MIGO transaction to do the goods, perform the goods receipt, and we'll go to the MIGO transaction to do the invoice receipt. Okay, so and at the first case, we are not going to do the usage decision based on the inspection lot, but we are going to see the inspection lot, okay, in the MIGO transaction. So let us do that first. So we'll go to ME21N to create the purchase order /ME21N. We shall create the supplier. We shall put the supplier here. We shall put the material here, XIM-01, and we shall put the purchase order quantity here. The price has come, everything has come, and you see if I go to the delivery, you see it is going to the stock type quality inspection because, and you see the QM control key has also come here. Okay, so we'll save it, and we'll also, and if you go to the invoice, we are not, as of now, we do not take this GR based invoice verification. We are considering it as a PO based invoice verification. And from our previous knowledge, we know what is the difference between GR based invoice verification and PO based invoice verification. So we'll save the purchase order. The purchase order is saved with the number, this number ending with 72. So we shall go and do the goods receipt in Micro transaction. We'll go to create, we'll go to goods receipt, purchase order, then we'll go to this one, then we'll ticket item OK, and we will post. After posting, we can see, we will go to the display of the material document, and in the material document we can see the inspection lot number also. We'll go here, we'll go to quantity, and you see the inspection lot, and we can see the inspection lot from here. This is inspection lot. When we go and see the inspection lot, it tells that the inspection lot origin is the goods receipt, and we can see the purchasing document number here, and we can see the material also here, and we can see if we go here, we can see the other details also. Okay, the usage decision has been made or not. See, the usage decision has not been made. Usage decision has not been made. So after that, let us go back and perform the next step. That is, our next step is the mirror transaction. And in the mirror transaction, we will check here the invoice will now get blocked. The invoice will get blocked for payment. Will get blocked for payment. That warning we can see in the status bar when we do the mirror. So this is very important. Okay. So this is very important. So in the mirror. So let us perform the mirror. We'll go again to the SAP. We'll go to this one, document entry, mirror, enter invoice. So we'll put today's date as the invoice date, and we'll put this number. We'll put calculate tax. Yeah, and we'll put this amount here to make it positive. And post it. See, it is blocked for payment. It's telling it's blocked for payment. Now, we have to understand why it has got blocked for payment. For that, we'll go to the transaction MRBR. Further processing MRBR. Okay. So, and we can see the invoice document through this transaction, MIR4. So this is our invoice document number, right? Which got blocked. So we'll copy this invoice number and we'll go here. Or you can give today's date also, posting date as today's date, it will find out. So let this things all be where it is, as it is. So we'll go here, execute, and we will see this invoice has got blocked. And as you go to the right side of the screen, here you will see that it is blocked due to quality. Blocked due to quality. Now what we do? Now we have to go to the results recording, and we have to also do the usage decision. That whether results recording means whether the results are within the limit or not. So we'll go to the transaction QA32, and we will see this. We'll put this and we'll select all inspection lots, and we'll go to execute. So many inspection lots are there which were already created earlier. So this is our inspection lot. If you do not understand what is the inspection lot, we can always go and check it in our purchase order. ME21 and ME23 and this is a purchase order, right? Today it has got created. And we can go to the purchase order history. And we can go to the material document, right? And also from the material document, we can go to this tab and check what is the inspection lot. The inspection lot is ending with 59. So here 59 is there. So what we will do? We can check here. We can check and we can go to the change inspection lot. Yeah. Now here you will see that all these things should be created before by the quality management people. Okay. That what is the inspection lot quantity, what is the sample size, what is the sampling process, sample procedure, everything. Okay. So now what we will go do? We will go for the results recording. Change inspection results. Yeah. Here. Now you see, out of the 100 pieces that we created, we are going to inspect 5 pieces. So, and the range that 5 pieces should be there is between 10 to 20 amperes. And so these are called inspection characteristics. Okay. Expand row. So I will start putting 12 and enter. See, and it is telling yes. 13, enter. 14, enter, and it is calculating the average here, mean value. And 12, enter, and obviously 10, enter. Okay, so it is accepted, valuation accepted. Okay, and similarly we will do for the second one also. Second is between 5 to 15 ohms. Okay, both amperes and ohms are units of electricity. Yeah, ohm is the unit of resistance and ampere is the unit of current electricity. Yep. So we'll put 10, we'll put 12, and we'll put 13, and we'll put 14, and we'll put 15. Enter. So results were saved and operation for operation 10. Okay, and you see still the status has not got changed. You refresh it, check it changed. Okay, see results record RERC results recording just got changed. Now after we do this, still it is in red color. Now what we will do? Go for the usage decision. And here we have to give the UD code. That is accepted. Enter. And we can go to the inspection lot stock, and 100 stock we can post it to 100 unrestricted, because it was going by default to the quality inspection stock. So it will 100. So it becomes 0 in the quality inspection stock and 100 in the unrestricted stock, and this is a storage location where it is going to come. Save it. So still it is there here. Refresh it, and this will go out from this list. Okay, see, and it is 59 now. Okay, so now let us go and see what happened to the blocked invoice. Okay, let us go to the transaction again. MRPR transaction. I guess this one, or we can see from the purchase order data. Right, we can double click it and we can see the invoice receipt document, the purchase order history. Yeah, it is ending with 97, right? It is ending with 97. So we'll go here and 97 and put here. And so here you see the blocking reason has been set as invalid, because we have already done the quality inspection, and we have done the results recording, we have done the usage decision, we have accepted the usage decision, and we have told that everything is okay regarding the quality. So now you can go ahead and release the invoices. So when the release happens, release blocked invoices. Okay, I can put it release automatically. Okay, released. Okay, see, one invoice is released. Or I can put the cursor on the invalid blocking reason, and I can, here one delete button will be there. I can put delete. Okay, so like that. So this is the entire thing that what I have explained, and this is the way how the invoice gets blocked due to quality variances. Next video that is going to come up, I am going to show you another variance, that is order price unit variance.